Are you interested in adding more plant-based meals to your diet that are delicious? Well, you have come to the right place. I'm Toby Smithson, a registered dietitian, certified diabetes educator, and someone who is managing my own diabetes like you. I've had a number of requests to put more plant-based meal ideas on my YouTube channel. So when I find a great product and a great recipe, I love sharing it with you. Here's the background on how I found this product that is a meatless ground plant-based crumble, which is made from pea protein. I found the product at my local grocery store, and then when I was shopping at Trader Joe's, I found the identical product, but with Trader Joe's branding on it. I was interested in trying it because it's a dehydrated plant protein that can be stored in the pantry instead of the refrigerator or freezer, and I wanted to see how it tasted. I used the meatless grounds as my source of protein that is low in carb, only 4 grams, low in fat, only 2 grams, no saturated fat, and the best thing of all is that it has a nice amount of protein per serving with 15 grams protein, which is equal to a 2-ounce meat portion. Okay, let's get started on making the tacos. The ingredients you will need are 1 package of the plant taco mix, 2 cups of water, and some olive oil. Follow the directions on the side of the package. Place the plant taco mix into 2 cups water and stir until mixed. Then place a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and turn on the stove burner to medium. Pour plant mix into the pan and stir until the water has been absorbed. This will take just a few minutes. The way I plated my food was to place the cooked taco mix into a corn taco shell and serve with homemade coleslaw, pickled onions, tortilla chips, and salsa. The taco is 11 grams of carb, 15 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fat, which leaves room for the carbs in the tortilla shells and salsa. The recipe turned out great. I also got creative with how to eat the plant-based taco mix the next night for dinner. I placed the taco meat in a cooked baked potato as my dinner alongside with steamed vegetables. Until next time, cheers to your health.